A day in the life of me. Let's begin.
Wally's outside.
Sean, going crazy over the neighbors being outside. Let's see who's looking at.
Wally.
Looking at Wally, clean out his Jeep. Okay. Let's go see what Caden's doing. Caden, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Maybe he'll stand up and walk for you guys. Come on, stand up. Hi. What is wrong with my thing? I don't know what's wrong with it. Oh, there he goes. Come on. I wish it wasn't so blurry. Come on. Come on. Caden going to check out what Big Brother's doing at the door. Get Caden up. Oh God. Speed racer. Walk. Maybe not. Alright, time to end the video because Sean just went outside and he's gonna make me mad. Let's tell Big Brother to come inside, Caden. Say, come inside. Caden. Say bye-bye. Caden, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.